In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Temu account on iPhone. Yes, it's possible. Let's jump right in. Open the Temu app, tap the person icon at the bottom right to go to your profile. Scroll all the way down and tap Settings. Then look for the option that says Account Closure or Close Account. Now follow the steps. You may need to sign in again and choose a reason why you're leaving. Once confirmed, your account will be scheduled for deletion. Keep in mind, this is usually permanent, and it can take up to 30 days for everything to be fully deleted. Quick tip: if you don't see the option, try updating the app first. Sometimes older versions hide these settings. Also, if you want to keep your data private, make sure to clear browsing history and saved info before deleting. If this helped you out, smash that like button and maybe drop a comment so I know you're officially Temu free. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick app tips. See you next time.